Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Waze navigation app, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Waze application on your mobile device. Allow the app to access your location if prompted. Upon opening, you will see the map interface with your current location displayed. To set a destination, tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. Enter the address or place you want to go. Select your desired destination from the list of suggestions. You can also choose a location on the map by long pressing on it. Once your destination is selected, tap on the Directions button. Waze will calculate the best route based on real-time traffic data. You'll see the estimated time of arrival displayed at the top. If you want to select an alternative route, tap on the Routes button. Waze may suggest multiple routes with different travel times and distances. Select the route you prefer by tapping on it. To start navigation, tap the Go button. Now, follow the on-screen instructions for turn-by-turn directions. Pay attention to voice prompts and visual cues for a smoother drive. You can also report incidents, such as traffic or accidents, by tapping on the microphone icon. Waze allows you to customize your navigation settings by accessing the Settings menu. Here, you can adjust preferences like voice, units of measurement, and map display. If you need to pause or stop navigation, tap on the X in the Directions box. To resume, simply tap the Go button again. Waze will continue to provide real-time updates as you navigate. Enjoy a safer and more efficient driving experience with Waze. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.